How to get the link for your Airbnb listing host. Want to share your Airbnb listing with guests? Here's how to get your link as a host. So, first log into Airbnb with your host account. Switch to hosting mode if you're on mobile. And then from here, go ahead and tap listings to see all properties that you have. So, you'd basically find it here. So, go ahead and select that specific house listing, and then click on the preview listing button, and this shows how guests see your property. So copy the link from the browser or tap share on mobile to copy your listing link. Paste the link into messages, emails, or social posts. Guests can click directly to view your property. Getting your Airbnb listing link is quick. Just preview, copy, and share.